everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this ribbed beanie. For this project I'm going to be using size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn, and this is just the Big Twist Value brand. I'm also going to be using a size F or 5 crochet hook. And we're going to begin this project by attaching the yarn to our crochet hook with a slip knot and chaining 50. And if you're unfamiliar with any of the stitches used in this pattern, then please check the links in the description because I will have my stitch tutorials listed down there. And once you have your 50 chains in place, then all you're going to want to do is just turn them over so that you can access these back bumps back here. So what we're going to do is place one half double crochet slip stitch in each of our 50 back bumps, and this includes the one directly beside our crochet hook. So to do that, go ahead and yarn over, then insert your crochet hook into that back bump. Then all we're going to do is yarn over and drop all the loops on our crochet hook. And if you find that these back bumps are too tight to work into, then go ahead and redo your chain and just make it as loose as you can. So go ahead and place one half double crochet slip stitch in each of your back bumps for the entire row. And when you get to the end of your row, you're going to chain one and turn your work. And the pattern for this row is going to be to place one half double crochet slip stitch in each of your back loops going all the way down your row. And you're going to skip your turning chain. So you should have a total of 50 half double crochet slip stitches when you get to the end of your row. And when you get to the end of your row, you're just going to chain one and turn your work. And from here, we're just going to repeat that last row over and over and over again. So you're just going to place one half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop only of each stitch in your row. Chain one and then turn your work. And you're just going to do this until this reaches your desired width, which for me is roughly about 16 inches, but that might vary for you depending on the size of the head of the person that you're making this for. And once you've gotten this to your desired length, what we're going to do is we're going to crochet the two edges together. So make sure that you've ended your last row where your crochet hook is on the opposite side of your starting tail here. And go ahead and fold your two sides together like this. So what we're going to be doing is using slip stitches to join these two edges together. So you can see here that you sort of have three loops on this side. So you have this loop, and this loop. You're going to insert your crochet hook in these top loops here. And then when you get to your corresponding edge, you're going to insert your crochet hook in these top loops. So you see here, these are sort of like bottom loops, but you're going to be working up here in the top of that stitch, just like that. Once you have all of those loops on your crochet hook, then just yarn over and pull through for a slip stitch. And that's all we're going to do for the entire row, so we're just going to join these two edges together using our slip stitches. And once you're done joining these two edges together, go ahead and cut and tie off your yarn and then join your two tails together to make it extra secure. And then we're going to cut a strand of yarn that is roughly 2 feet in length. And working on the same side where I have my tails, I'm going to weave this strand of yarn going all the way around the edge of my beanie. And I'm just weaving about every inch or so. And once you're done weaving this along your edge, go ahead and grab both ends of that strand of yarn and pull them nice and tight. And we're just going to tie them together a couple of times. And I like to tie mine as tightly as I can without breaking my yarn. And I went ahead and turned it inside out and folded up my brim. And in the description, I will link to my DIY pom-pom maker. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were making this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.